Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to find the squares of 59, 78, and 97 without calculator. First, I'm going to write the number 59 as a difference of two numbers. The numbers need to be such that their squares are easy to calculate. So 59 squared can be written as 60 minus 1 in parentheses squared. As the next step, I'm going to use the formula for a binomial square to calculate this further. When I apply the formula, I get 60 squared minus 2 times 60 times 1 plus 1 squared. Next, I simply need to calculate the exponents and the rest of the terms. Is equals to 3,600 minus 120 plus 1. Next, I'm going to break down 120 to 120, so I can simplify further, and it's easier to calculate this way. And this way, I get 3,500 minus 20 plus 1, and then this equals to 3,480 plus 1, or I get 3,481. Next, I need to find the square for 78. I'm going to follow absolutely the same steps to calculate that. I can write 78 squared as 80 minus 2 in parentheses squared. And when I apply the formula for binomial square, I get 80 squared minus 2 times 80 times 2 plus 2 squared is equals to 6,400 minus 320 plus 4. And again, I'm going to break down 320 to 320 plus 4, and then I get 6,100 minus 20 plus 4, which equals to 6,080 plus 4, or the square of 78 is 6,084. Next, again, I need to write the number 97 as a difference of two numbers, which squares are easy to calculate. So 97 squared equals to 100 minus 3 in parentheses squared. This equals to, after I apply the formula for binomial square, this equals to 100 squared minus 2 times 100 times 3 plus 3 squared. When I calculate further, I get 10,000 minus 600 plus 9, or I have 9,400 plus 9, or this equals to 9,409. Thank you for watching and learning. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up by clicking the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the videos to see more detailed math solutions.